In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Outlook. This method allows you to integrate your calendars, ensuring you can keep track of events and appointments seamlessly across different platforms. We'll take you step by step to make sure the process is as simple and efficient as possible. First, let's start with opening Outlook on the web. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser and signing into your Outlook account. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the settings gear icon. Click on that, then select View All Outlook Settings. This is where you'll configure your calendar. Once you've opened the settings menu, you'll need to choose the calendar section. Within that, there's a section labeled Shared Calendars. Click on that option, and you'll be greeted with an area titled Publish a Calendar. Here, you have the opportunity to select which specific calendar you want to share. Choose the one most relevant to you for syncing. Now, you have to decide the level of detail you wish to share. Set the visibility to Can View All Details. This ensures your events will be displayed accurately in Google Calendar. Next, click the Publish button to move to the next step. After publishing, a couple of links will be generated. Make sure you copy the ICS link. It's crucial to choose the ICS link, not the HTML link, because ICS is the format that Google Calendar can interpret and display. Next up, let's switch over to Google Calendar. Once you have Google Calendar open, look towards the lower left-hand side of the page. Here you'll see Other Calendars. Click the plus sign next to it and a menu will appear. From this menu, choose From URL. In this field, you'll paste the ICS link you previously copied from Outlook. Look for the Add Calendar button once you have pasted the URL and click it. By doing this, you're instructing Google Calendar to fetch events from your Outlook calendar based on the ICS link. Now, if everything has been done correctly, your Outlook events should start appearing inside your Google Calendar. It's important to note that these events will be read only. That means, while you can view them in Google Calendar, any changes or edits should be made directly in Outlook. By following these steps, you've effectively synchronized your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar, giving you the flexibility and utility of accessing your schedule across platforms without missing an event. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, a well-organized calendar keeps your life in order.